Hi everyone. So we're launching an online workshop for SNAP and NMAT examination, right? So the next exam that's coming up, important being SNAP and NMAT, and both having the same pattern, similar in the sense like they're both speed-based exam. Unlike the CAT exam, which is more to do with logic-based exam where you need to think and try to get the answer, SNAP and MAT is more of speed-based exam. So where every minute that you save makes a lot of difference in your overall score and hence your overall percentile. Right, so it will be conducted by me, Patrick. I have scored 6 times CAT 100 percentiler, rank 1 twice in the XAT examination, and 3 times rank 1 in CET. So, what all courses do we have for SNAP and NMAT? So, we have an online workshop, which is there, price of which is 1500 rupees. We also have NMAT test series for 7700, SNAP test series for 700, and a SNAP NMAT videos for 6900. You can purchase any of these courses at prep.patrick100.com. For any information, you can call up this number 9821314788. Right? Fine. So we're looking at SNAP and MAT workshop. So basically, the workshop will be consisting of 10 sessions of 1.5 hours each. The focus will be on speed-based techniques. So how to solve things fast, save time, and then move ahead. Okay, so everything like right from Quant, DI, verbal reasoning, logic, and verbal will be covered. Verbal reasoning is both important for NMAT as well as SNAP. So we'll focus on that. Same with DI also is important. So we'll look at techniques of how to solve these faster so you can save time and then try to accordingly solve more questions. The focus will be obviously on approaches and shortcuts. Strategy for writing this exam, both SNAP and NMAT will be discussed. So what is the best strategy to go about writing the examination and how can you optimize your scores? So it will be conducted by me, Patrick, and Rochelle, and will be conducted between 5th December and 14th December. Right, so enough time for you to write the NMAT for a SNAP exam, and also if you're writing the NMAT later, something in the end of December, I think this workshop should help you with regards to your NMAT exam as well. Right, so be there. Thank you.